Meneses with a running hit.
And just in her second year, and Meneses really showing how, very, very well she's improved from last year.
True.
Last year, mostly defensive yung kanyang participation sa team.
Yeah.
But now, she's getting plays called out for her. And she's been succeeding. Si Meneses doon, kaya nakapasok ang bola, and a point to Dakaymat, Angelica Dakaymat. 12 serving 24, but it's still set point for UST.
And you like how Dakaymat adjusted. Kanina, di ba, sakto dun sa block ni Rhea Meneses.
Yeah.
Now, went for an angle, got the point. Oh,
Meneses again.
Rhea Meneses just dunking that one.
And that wraps up set number 2. UST coasting along here in the